remedies for dry cough aren't one size fits all. You may have to experiment with several before you find the ones that work for you. In addition, not all of these remedies have been fully researched and proven to be effective. Some treatments are also inappropriate for babies or children. 1. Honey. For adults and children ages 1 and up, honey can be used to treat day and nighttime dry coughing. Honey has antibacterial properties and can also help to coat the throat, alleviating irritation. You can try taking honey by the teaspoon several times daily, or add it to tea or warm water to drink. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound which may have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It may also be beneficial for several conditions, including a dry cough. Curcumin is best absorbed into the bloodstream when taken with black pepper. You can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper into a beverage, such as cold orange juice, to drink. You can also make it into a warm tea. Turmeric has been used to treat upper respiratory conditions, bronchitis, and asthma in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. You can get turmeric in its spice form, as well as a capsule. 3. Ginger. Ginger has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has also been shown to boost the immune system and relieve pain and discomfort. Ginger can be found in many teas as an ingredient. You can also make ginger tea from ginger root by steeping the peeled or cut root in warm water. Adding honey may make it even more beneficial for dry cough. You can also take ginger in capsule form, or chew on ginger root to alleviate dry cough. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps to numb nerve endings in the throat that become irritated by coughing. This may provide pain relief and reduce the urge to cough. Peppermint also helps reduce congestion, plus, it's been found to have antibacterial and antiviral qualities. There are a number of ways to take peppermint. These include drinking peppermint tea or sucking on peppermint lozenges. Try drinking peppermint tea right before bed to help alleviate nighttime coughs. 5. Capsaicin. Capsaicin, a compound found in chili peppers, has been shown to reduce chronic coughing. While capsaicin can be taken as a capsule, you can also make tea from cayenne pepper hot sauce and warm water. Cayenne is a type of chili pepper. Add drops of cayenne hot sauce into the water, tasting as you go, so you don't exceed your threshold for how much heat you can handle. You can also buy chili peppers whole and steep them in warm water. 6. Gargle with salt water. Gargling with warm salt water will help ease the discomfort and irritation caused by a dry cough. Salt water also helps kill bacteria in the mouth and throat. To do this, dissolve 1 teaspoon of table salt in a large glass of warm water. Then gargle several times a day.